order filled, order filled, target filled,
Yo. Oh, 61.8. Yo, wellness check, wellness check. Wellness check, wellness check.
Yo, yo, no wellness check needed. Was good, was good. Oh, Let's see. What's up with this mic?
Bro,
Mic
I
check me.
blew
Mic check me. Mic check. Mic check. Mic check. Mic check. Oh, okay. Yeah. You hear me?
Yeah, I blew a
Hey.
PA, fam.
Oh, damn. What happened?
So I seen the move. Let me show you. 5 minutes. Right here, you see this little burst right here? So I'm like, oh shit, all right, bet. It was after the news, we had that little pullback, and then, bro, I just switched to my ATM, and my dumbass didn't switch from NQ from the give me all that, and then I'm like, oh shit, like I didn't at first I thought it was a glitch, and I'm like, oh shit, it was too late by the time I realized. Because I scrolled down on my ATM and I put that regular ATM that I use every day with the 6 contracts, and I executed.
Bro, you gotta check that every day, man. You gotta check that shit. You should write a sticky note or something.
Yeah.
Before you enter trades, make sure the right time frame, right contract, or right instrument, right contract size, right ATM.
Yeah.
You can't be doing that. Damn.
Yeah. And I'm not mentally I'm not hurt. You feel me? I'm like, like, you see what I'm saying? Like, I'm not yeah. I'm Gucci. But I need to make sure I get on that, cause shit. It's something
I would say take the NQ charts off, man. I just go micros from now on, bro. That's my recommendation.
But I'll follow your advice. I'm gonna do micros for a little bit. I'm gonna run these accounts up. Once I run them up for a little bit, then I'll go back to give me that, depending on how conditions are looking.
Yeah, that makes sense. But I would just even, you didn't even have to X out you could have just changed it to micros. No, but I mean that too. That's good.
Yeah,
that's what I'm back to micros.
Yeah, good looking out. Appreciate it.
Yeah, bro, for sure. I'm back to micros for everything, and just continue to run up because my plan's working. So I did a little bit of give me that to get some more PAs in the to put them in the bank, but back to what's consistent and what works.
Amen. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Then I took a little heat on the other account, but it was just $300. You feel me? So that would be my daily loss.
Yeah, definitely gotta respect that for sure.
And then on the last one, I'm up big time on that one. So
on the other PA.
Yeah, on the other PA. So on the other PA, I'm at 52,500. I'm $100 away from payout threshold. And on the other PA, so one PA, I'm at 51,900. Well, 985. So I'm 500 away from payout threshold. That's the one where I took that heat today. And the other one, I'm 100 away.
Payout. Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. You mean so you're close to getting to the buffer.
To the buffer, exactly.
Yeah, payout threshold would be 53,600.
53,600.
Yeah, so that's payout threshold.
Right.
Yeah, yes sir. Yeah, man, it's time to get it. Yeah, for sure. These.
Looks like we're wanting to make our way down to the 61. That's what you were showing me earlier too, right?
Yeah. So when I originally was always mentioning the 61.8, like I know there's been like interpretations of like, there's always been like different type of interpretations of it, but the original was if we make a low, if we go and make a new high, right? Or if we make a high and then we go and make a new low, watch out for the 61.8 because literally a 61.8 retracement, like it's a literal math. It's literal math. It's a 61.8% retracement from the high. So the market makes so you can see on your chart right here, I'll show you. Market made a low. They then made a high. And they came back 61.8% from the high.
Mm.
There are some algorithms that kick in the market. I don't know why, I don't know how. They just do, because this is a pattern. This is a repeatable pattern I see all the time.
Yeah.
It then makes a bounce. I don't know how big that bounce typically is. Like sometimes you'll see this, it'll make a low, it will make a high, it'll come back low, and then it'll shoot up and just go. Or sometimes you can see what it does here, comes down, and then maybe just bounces, and then just gives you this area, and then maybe shoots back down. Like, but at the end of the day, this is the move. Like, if you wait for this move, if the market makes a this, and again, this is what I always originally talk about. The market came down, new low, they shot up, made a new high. When they come down, 61.8% retracement. So it's like it's not a 61.8% retracement from the high or from the low. So this move, so one trade, if there's a trader who takes these trades, that trade once it happened already, that move, that percent move, it might work again or not, but it's a one day thing. If like you can be a 61.8% retracement trader, meaning you take that one setup when it comes. If it's every day, if it's once a week, if it's twice a week, if it's 3 times a week, that's it. That is all you take, and that is it. Nothing else. That is a golden ratio retracement trader. But you can also, like, I mean, you can do it however you want to do it.
Right.
But that is what the original intent of that trade is. So every other iteration of it is cool.
It'd be nice to have some accounts dedicated only for that move.
Yeah.
And we almost had almost 400 points right here too.
Yeah. Yeah. So. Yeah, market was doing its thing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. 9/12. The open's coming soon as well. Let's see what happened here.
Oh, we had news earlier.
Yeah, PPI. We also have consumer sentiment at 10. And I think we got some Fed president speaking as well. Yeah. Yeah. Market falling.
Yeah.
Market falling beautifully. Yeah. All right.
Order filled. Target filled. Target filled.
Ooh.
That's not. Wow.
That's a nice move right there.
Mm-hmm.
Yo.
Good morning, y'all. Good morning.
Morning, family.
Let's go.
How's it going, y'all?
I blew a PA, fam.
No.
Yeah.
No.
So I was on NQ, and I seen the move. I seen the little pullback. So I was gonna get on that pullback with the regular ATM, but I didn't switch to MNQ, and when automatically when I when I got in the trade, I was like, what the fuck? I thought my shit glitched. Nah,
Yeah.
by the time I even like knew what was going on, that account was gone.
Yeah, bro. What the hell?
Yeah, but it's all good, fam. It's all good for sure.
We gotta stop blowing these PAs, y'all. We gotta
Yeah,
try to
yeah.
come
That
on.
one, that's why I'm a. We're not doing that no more, man.
We gotta
We're not
secure
doing that
accounts. Remember, you
no
want to
more.
stack them, y'all.
Well, yeah,
Oh yeah, absolutely. You're absolutely right, fam.
100%. We still at the max, so we chilling.
Yeah,
That's the best part.
that's
But
good.
no
But
more, though, because
you
we
know,
can't have these stupid ass blunders. Nope.
Mm-hmm.
I get it. In every war, there's a casualty. But damn, these PAs are. I guess I just see it a little different because I haven't had one, you know. So I'm like, man, they seem a
Yeah.
little bit more.
Nah, hey,
You guys could get it a
bro.
little bit more easier.
Nah, bro. I ain't gonna say that you see it a little different, nah, bro. Because the way you're seeing it is the right way. Is the only way to see that.
It's the only way.
And the casualty, it's a hard casualty. It's a casualty that should not have happened.
Right,
No,
I
no
guess, yeah.
way. 100%
But
on everybody's part,
Yeah.
right, damn,
myself
yo.
included. But I think we back right. I think this is, I like I did again the give me that was intended for evals only.
Yeah,
I know myself. I know I got a little carried away and did what I did, but I did pass several of those doing it.
yeah,
And that's what it was for. And
for
now we
sure.
back
Yeah, hell yeah.
right. So I know Surge, same thing.
Yeah.
I can't speak for Surge, but it sounds like that's what it is.
Yeah, definitely. I know you guys have some backups, so that's good. But let's try to armor up and not, I guess,
Let's go.
lose
Tighten up.
anymore. I want to
Yeah.
see I get big checks, bro. This is motivation.
Yeah.
I already see it. Y'all pulling out 20Ks, 30Ks, 40Ks, life changing
Yeah.
shit, bro, for sure.
Yeah, I got something cooking up, man. I got
There we
something
go.
that I'm trying to cook up. So yeah,
There we go. Hell yeah.
I'm tying the risk parameters, Lou. I'll definitely need to holler at you when you're free for sure.
Yeah,
And
nah, bro. You already know, man. Just let me know. I mean,
I'm gonna try to work on like a little plan. You feel me?
yep.
Yes, most definitely, y'all. So
Yeah.
I'm looking at price. We look like we're ranging, y'all. Kind of like a little uptrend. I'm thinking bearish today, y'all, but we do have Wednesday high
Mm-hmm.
cleared, and we got Thursday's high cleared. I mean, like we're ready. We're pretty good. I say like we could come on to take those. In my point of view,
Yep.
but
Makes
we
sense.
did have a bullish day yesterday, so I mean
Yep.
Wednesday was definitely bullish. So
it seems like the market. I mean, it's still making crazy ass moves, but it seems like it's wanting the volatility to die slightly a little bit from going 1%, 2%. You feel me?
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
And that's good because we need that shit like that volatility. I mean, it's nice to have it, but at the same time, it's crazy
Yeah.
yeah,
because we have trained our eyes to see. We got so used to seeing the market doing certain moves or moving a certain way, and then now we're looking at 400 points. And it kind of like it detaches ourselves from reality.
Yeah.
there
Oh,
we
this
go.
is reality though.
True.
Yeah.
True.
For sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nah. This is it's definitely been crazy though. Like, no lie about that. Yeah. It's been crazy. What is this ATM? Okay. Nah, I don't want that one. Yeah, I'm checking out my ATMs, making sure we're good.
Yeah, we
Okay.
looking bearish.
Yeah.
Maybe for open, we coming down and sweep London.
Mm-hmm. In the
I have a,
meanwhile, we got consumer sentiment. Consumer sentiment at 10. Oh,
UPI was negative.
yeah, let me see. Let me look at PPI right now. It came in at
-1, -4, -0.4. Yeah.
negative 0.4. Yep. And year over year was 2.7. So, yeah, it came in less. Oh, it came in less than. It came in cooler than expected. Okay. Yep. And then we also have a couple Fed presidents speaking. We have one speaking right now. Boston Fed President Collins, and then we also have Fed President Muslim speaking at 10, and then we have Fed President Williams speaking at 11. But they don't really do nothing to the market. Yeah, they don't really do nothing to the market. But yeah, I'm ready to
See what happens.
Go do it. Yeah. Yeah, I cleaned up my charts yesterday, so it's feeling much smoother. There's way less drag because I had some algos. Look, the way that I have my charts, it was like I have a different type of bar. I didn't have time. Yeah, I didn't have time candles. I had something else. So
okay.
And it prints with the money. So even in a like during a news event or any type of volatility, or anyone using a time chart, like you see how right now on Sergio's chart on April 9th, you see that big ass green candle? That's a lot of money being put into the market, right? But all you're seeing is that's just one or two candles. They just so happen to be like a larger candle.
Right.
Well, on my chart with that move, it would print mad candles on the chart because of how my thing is set up. So it was resource heavy. And so every time I load my charts, it would, like, in order to, because of how many days I have loaded, which is not that many days, but because of certain moves, it's a lot of bars trying to print and trying to like reload on the chart. And it's very stressful, no matter what kind of platform. It's just stressful on Ninja in general. Not even
okay.
You know what I mean? So
yeah.
Fix that up, and now we back right.
That's good. Hell yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
I like Sergio's chart. It looks pretty clean from this one, from the other one that he had, the trading view one. This one
So
looks
you like
clean.
what?
Sergio's chart. It looks pretty clean from
clean.
From this one, from the trading view.
Yeah.
Remember he had the trading view, he had like all the stuff, I think the supply, demand, and then the
Oh, my spaghetti.
yeah.
Yeah,
Man,
I'm trying to clean my shit up too.
This one looks clean though.
Bro, I'm like those people that refuse to get rid of their shit with my chart.
Yeah. I've had to tone down some things too. So which I have. Mine is just, it's super clean. I got levels, and yeah, that's it, man.
Yeah, I like the levels. The levels are good. That's like what is it, a fib, right? Just like on from every high low, from low and high. Yeah, that's fire.
Clean.
I might enter a short position right now. Just needed to.
Let's go.
It looks like we're going down, huh?
Yeah, I don't kind of want to, not sure, but I need this candle touch again. He already tipped once. It should touch. Supposed to touch one more time.
Oh look, we bounced to the 61 again.
Yep.
Just kind of touch one more time. Just that.
Yeah.
That 61, touch it, and then we can. Come on, man.
Mm-hmm.
4 minutes.
Make sure we have any things bond related. Nothing bond related. So yeah. Yeah, consumer sentiment at 10. You know what they do. Consumer sentiment could be real market moving. So let's get it.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Order filled. Order filled.
One minute.
Well,
Order submitted. Target filled. Target filled.
All right, done for the day, yo. Still got ways to drop though. I'll say
Order canceled.
305.75. It's a good target. Yeah, definitely. This is the first TP right here. They tapped it. 356.75. Keep going down and come on. Yeah. Did you get out search?
It threw me out.
Fuck. You see, I was talking about, I just needed it to tap that one. Because
Yeah.
your 61.8 is at the bottom. Mine was reversed at the top.
Stop filled.
And once it tapped, I got in. It was a little volatile, but
Yeah.
it was moving pretty good. It wasn't going any higher. Now it tapped first TP. I think it's pulling back, and then it should keep going back down. At least, I'm like I said, I'm aiming for 305.75, 306.25. I'm sorry. Looking at 30-second candles. No. No, don't go up. No. No. Well, I guess he went up. I think I'm gonna double tap that shit again and then come back down.
Oh, man. Damn.
What's wrong? Oh, that candle's tripping. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Order filled.
We need that. I need that. I need that. Rio 625, baby. Give me that.
They're playing on that zone between the 50 and the 60.
Yes, sir. What we got going on there, bro? We got a oh, we got an inverted fair value gap on April 10th, 15, 5 minute time frame. That's where that price is going, but it's gonna go down, bro. It has to. This setup looks nice, bro. Like, ain't no way it's not gonna go down. Yo, what the fuck? All right.
Stop
No, it's gonna
filled.
go up now.
Stop filled.
That sucks. Touch the first value gap. If it breaks above that, it's over. We still have good range though, but all right, not normal.
Order filled.
Morning, Oliver.
Good morning. Good morning. Welcome.
Morning.
Welcome to the Zoom, y'all.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled. Target filled.
Your mind search?
I was thinking about it. Oh.
Just broke above, waiting for a pullback. It broke above this little high on a 30-second or 1 minute. Breaking above the high, and then it got to pull back. Once it pulls back, could be a good entry if it closes above the high.
I was already in. I'm already done.
Let's go.
Y'all doing NQ or ES?
MNQ? Right there, here we go. Close above. If it doesn't close above, then it's no good.
Damn, fam, it was 1 point away from my what do you call it?
ATM?
Yeah, from where it was gonna log me in.
You got out manually?
No, and I was just waiting for it to lock me. Damn.
Oh, bro, I'm over here talking on mute. Wow, bro.
My God.
That's crazy. I'm like, why are you not hearing me? I literally just called out that long trade.
Yeah, this was...
Oh, I was like, yo, I'm long. All right, my stop is here. My trail's here. I was literally calling it out, and I'm on mute. My fault. Oh, God.
It went 1 point away from where it was gonna lock me, and then it reversed to my stop loss.
That's crazy, bro. I've been on mute for like 5 minutes talking. I literally was just, okay, what I said was, we're at the 830 price right now. There's going to be a small rejection before they take off.
Look at that.
And that's exactly what happened, because 550 was the 830 price.
Damn.
Yeah.
Look at that, bro. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Would it stayed in there?
Yeah.
That shit would have been fire, bro.
So my entry on the long was at 430, and then I got out at 550. No, I'm sorry, I got out at 540.
540? Oh, that's
Yep.
not bad. Yeah, that's
entry 430, exit 540. And I was trailing it manually.
I took it there on that. I was on the buy, and it came and got me, and then it just
yeah.
Fuck it.
What was the reason for that entry?
Breaking the little high.
Order submitted.
It's because price already look bullish, bro. Like once you, what
Well,
what I'm what I'm
early on,
noticing is every time that well Nasdaq uh breaks a high, he pulls back, and then he keeps going, and then he pulls back after another high, and then he keeps going. So I was telling Sergio, I was like, if it breaks above that high, I'm in. I take that trade, and that's it. Like yeah, that little trade right there.
I seen that we made the high, and it looked like it wanted to come down. So I set a sell order, and we started dumping, and then I see how it went up on the 5 minute. So how we just let this long way. I'm like, oh hell no, we going for a buy right now. And then I seen that on that, what was it, 1 minute, where it made that broke that little high right here, and bro, it had locked me in, and it came and got me, bro. Damn.
Yeah. So one thing, Serge, because you definitely gonna have to change your ATM, because right now in this market, that ATM you're using is way too tight.
Yeah.
It's way like it's to be completely honest, bro. I probably wouldn't even take another trade with that ATM, because it's just the market has expanded so much that you need more room. It's either you're gonna do like a give me that, or the market needs room to breathe, because the range. That's why I always mention those ADRs. Like the range is expanded, so like if the stop loss is too tight, you gonna get wicked out. Like you need. So for me, that's why I've reduced my position sizing, and now my stops and my targets out a little further, because there's more move to be captured. You know, like in this type of market, like in a previous market, you know. In the previous market, if you caught a 200-point move or a 100-point move, you basically caught either like half the move of the day, or you caught the high to low, and whatever. If that's the type of trader someone is, if they can catch a 100-point, 200 move. But in this market, like in this market, 100 or 200 points is like, that's a 1 minute candle.
Yeah.
That was me.
So it's like that's where the being a chameleon with the market comes into play, like having to adjust and adapt to it.
Right. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be working on the new ATM, and I'm gonna tighten some things up, because I can't afford to do that.
Yeah, for sure, bro.
I stopped out of my long the first time with like a minus 500. I just re-entered on it.
Oh, you're in the minis.
Yeah, well, I did ES. I don't like doing NQ mini. So ES.
No, so you don't touch MES.
Oh, I do. This is just I have an entry. I use something called the Strat, like 3-1 entry candles. So give me an entry, but like you said, it's just so wide right now that first contract was like minus 600, minus 500. Now I was like, that's too much.
So, I feel you.
That's what Nathan uses, ain't it?
I don't even know his strat. I'm not sure.
I keep telling Nathan to do it.
Oliver is Nathan's homeboy.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
I don't know if Nathan uses it.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
I keep telling him, because I mean it's perfect. Like, watch. Let's see. I know y'all doing Q, so here, I'll post it in the chat. Oh, I can't add a picture?
Oh, you should be able to, right? Yeah.
It doesn't let me.
What are you trying to do, fam?
I'll post it in Messenger. Like that little entry right there, it gives you the entries, like the 50% of that candle, and then the top of the line is your take profit, and then the bottom of the line is your stop. but on NQ it's just so wide.
Which line?
It's 50% of the big ass candle. So if you look at the candle,
That
it's
yellow
right in
line?
the middle. Yeah, it's like a light blue line.
Oh, that's the 50 right there. I thought it was the yellow. Gotcha.
Nah. So the yellow is just a number, but like you see where it says 18415 as an entry.
Yeah.
Well, that's like a doji candle, so that's why you can't even tell what the fuck it is. But enter there.
Oh, okay. That's why I'm like, I see a high and a low, and I'm like, what candle is the high? Okay, I see.
Yeah,
Okay, got it. Okay,
I just noticed it's just a real
that's why.
like.
That's why I'm like, what candle is at the high and low of? Okay, I see. Yep.
So yeah,
Okay.
that little candle right there, pretty much at open, called it to go in. I did it on ES though, so I'll show you ES right now.
Okay.
And I just have a hard time trailing because I'm not used to trailing.
Mm-hmm.
But this is why I took that long.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure Nathan uses that strategy too.
Yeah.
I hope he does. I fucking told him about it. He needs to.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay.
No, I know he talks about that strategy often.
Oh, good. I'm glad he does that.
How long you know Nathan, fam?
A few months. I forgot where I met him. I think I met him on Apex Facebook. Randomly.
Right.
Here was an entry mod on ES, but I did it off a 15-minute, so that was a bigger move.
Right.
And it's like you said, we got to have a wider stop now because of the new market conditions.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm not used to that, so when it's minus 500, I got out.
Mm-hmm. That's where the micros come into play.
True.
Yes, sir.
But in the morning, this strat works a lot better in the morning than it does later in the day for some reason.
Oh, market open?
Yeah, well, just like the AM session, because it's so directional.
Mm-hmm. Mhm.
Order filled.
Ooh.
Ooh. El Dumpy McDumpy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Possible relong if you're trying to go back up.
Order filled.
Hey,
Yo.
hey y'all. Hey y'all. Hey, hey y'all. Hey y'all.
I just deleted a bunch of ATMs that I didn't need.
Perfect. Yep, that's the best way to do it.
So I'm trying to work on I'm still debating on this, but I've got 2 contracts, 160 ticks.
Mm-hmm.
Now I got once it goes halfway, it should break even. Wait, yeah,
I'm about to
hold
go
on.
long here. Let me see.
Yeah, I'm tripping.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Got my long 460 to 570.
All right.
How we looking, y'all? Sell-offs right now?
Um,
I'm looking for sales, y'all.
I'm
yeah.
just playing. I'm just playing with this ATM right now.
This is a nice rejection on a Fibonacci.
With the 600 level, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's what
Look at that. Come on. Yeah. Drop, reject right here. There you go.
Order filled.
Keep pushing. Reject. New candle. That's right.
Order
Ooh.
filled.
Yeah.
Look at that. I told you these little
That's a
bills right
good
here.
call right there.
Order
This is
filled.
nice. It was rejecting the area too much. Perfect.
Oh
Order
shit.
order filled.
For sure, man. I'm out. I'm out. I did a little bit over my goal. I'm out.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, I'm done too. That's short. You called that short. I was thinking about it.
Okay, now I can hear. Damn. All right. There we go. Didn't know if y'all could actually hear me or not.
Oh, we could.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Oh, okay. Cool. Yeah, that was a bit short.
Yeah.
Mhm. If we flip down below the close, I'm gonna take a short. But if we pump up, then I'm done. And I'll be good. And that's what we're doing.
Order
That's
submitted.
going on.
Order filled.
Yo, Yo, you sleeping, bro?
Well, wellness check.
I done knocked out. I'm tired, bro.
Yeah, I hear it.
Order
I'm
filled.
looking at this short though.
Target filled.
You go to work right now, Lou? I mean, you Sergio?
What up?
You going to work in a bit?
I gotta take my little brother at 10.
Target filled. Target
Oh, all
filled.
right, all right. What about you, Lou? What you finna do?
I'm chilling, bro. I'm
Definitely
out
chill.
here chilling. I'm chilling.
Yeah,
I'm good money.
that's a bit.
I'm good money. You not doing nothing? What do you say you doing, bro?
Me?
Yeah.
I'll probably knock out for a little bit.
Hey. Okay. All right. See, we flipped. We never came and hit the stop, so we chilling. Stop never came to get hit. We are still short. Okay.
Then we're about to break down below this area.
Yeah.
Order
So
filled.
I
462.
went short at 526, and I have my stop. I'm trailing right now. I went short 526.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they just took me. Okay, never mind. Got out 490.
Pull back up.
Entry 526, exit 490. They got me.
Oh, bro, I did the same thing.
That's
These are
crazy.
my last two runners. I got two
Yeah.
runners at 508. The last two that I added in all late.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
And I should have held my short from up there at 600.
Hell yeah. Yeah, that would have been a badass. Yeah, 600.
I got 600 to 530. So like when you guys called short, I was in it long and I just closed it. Got the short, got out 530. And then I tried the short, but it came back and hit me out, and then I entered again. So 530, and then I kept adding, and I'm in my last two right now. And now I am doing micros, MNQ, on a big account.
There you go. And now you can move that. The actual stop loss can be mad far away, but you can still have like the same monetary risk that you need. Is that right?
Yeah. When I do minis on the funded, it's just because I want a quick play. I don't want to hold. I just want my 1K and get out.
Tell me about it.
Damn, this thing's going.
Yes, sir. Yeah, they dumping.
Yeah, it's dumping now.
Dumping.
They pumped it to fake everyone out. Shit, I can't even move my stop fast enough.
Hey, y'all seen that meme that says, when lesbians get a 8-year-old haircut?
What?
I said, y'all seen that meme when lesbians get an 8-year-old haircut?
No.
Let me send it to y'all real quick.
You heading for what? Heading for London low. I'm on a New York low. Yeah. That's right. 355, y'all. 355.
Mm-hmm.
You know what? Today's a beautiful Friday, bro. I just realized that.
For sure.
The
Man, I
market
got
is
clapped.
so readable today,
Damn.
bro.
I got claps today, yo.
Damn.
No, the market's so readable today, bro. It's like, it's just not get predictable today where it's going.
I mean, I was on the right side of the tracks. I just luck wasn't with me today. You feel me?
Yeah.
Cause on that one, bro, it was like a little baby hair, bro. A little baby hair from locking me into all my trailing and my ATMs. And then, bro, it just went down from there. But that's a wake up call. I do gotta make sure I bring my my wrist down a little bit, and I gotta give myself some leg movement.
Right.
Hey, I did end up gaining one of those accounts though, so we good.
Okay, bro. Hell yeah. What time is it? 9:20. Man, I'm about to go get some breakfast.
I'm about to
I need
I'm
my
about to call it
hot
a day, to
chocolate.
be honest.
Yeah.
Before I hop onto do some silly stuff. Y'all down to play the game?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's play a
For
quick
sure.
few quick matches before I take my little brother. We should have a time for one or two.
Okay. Word.
Oh, hell yeah. Let's do it then.
All right, Oliver.
Yes, sir. Oliver,
Yes,
you
sir.
did good. It sounds like you did good today, Oliver. Good shit, bro.
Oh yeah, I'm still in this play, but yeah, I'm trailing it. Catch
Oh,
you
you
guys
still
later.
short? Hell yeah,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah,
Let's
yeah. It's still, we
go.
got a long ways, bro.
Ooh,
We're heading
Let's
for
go.
London for sure, bro.
Dumpy McDumperson. Let's go,
Yeah,
bro.
I got the same
Hold that
targets.
shit.
I got the
Let's
same
go.
targets. I got 323, 284, 234 if we really want to play around.
Yeah, this
But
is about
there's
to go
also
to.
future though. That's like
Dumpy
midpoint of
McDumperson.
to be honest, I think I might end up getting that thing that Mike got to lock his computer, bro.
Order
316.
submitted.
316 right now. Look,
three, so
boom,
I got
target.
one.
Right there, 316. That was target right there.
All right, y'all.
And
I'll see you on the game before I fall into something.
yeah, let's go.
Peace, y'all. I'll see you guys at the
Good day,
game.
Oliver.
Good day,
Later,
Oliver.
later.
GG's. Peace.